Good morning, I am in Midgehole, which is near this place. Get it in there. And I'm parked in their car park because I've been a member of National Trust. I don't have to pay for parking. It's quite busy around here. I was going to go wild camping tonight, but it's not even raining at the moment. It was a heavy rain forecast, so I decided not to. But I thought I'd just come for the walk anyway, because the forecast keeps changing. One minute it's showing heavy rain, next minute it's showing 10%. And I'm like, what? I'm going. Resealed my coat with Fab-Seal, or whatever it's called. Let's see how that works. I just need to check I'm on the right path now. Okay, I'm on a different track than I originally planned. There's a river down there, you can't see it but you can hear it. And the plan was to walk along that side, but this track will take me to the same place, which I'm hoping, the Lumb Waterfalls. Going to have a nice little water hole as well for swimming, but I don't think I'll be doing that today. Anyway, this will give me a chance to check out all the woods, because I was just coming here off spec for a camp, so at least I'll be able to just see if I can suss out any nice spots and come back when the weather forecast is more certain. Well, so far I'm glad I came out with the weather. I mean, if you look at the weather app, it's all doom and gloom. And which is a benefit which I didn't realise, by the car park there's a public loo. You do have to pay 20p to use it though, which I think is disgusting that you have to pay to use public toilets. Because at the end of the day, it's something we all need to use. I think there's a car park up here, but I don't know how you get to it. And but anyway, it's better than trying to squat in the bushes, especially when there's so many people around. Well, so far these woods aren't looking very promising. Quite steep, lots of bracken. There's a ridge line up there. Someone's cycling up there, so I don't know if it's flatter on the top, but this is the first section anyway. I was thinking more down by the river, but we'll have a look later. Oh, I just had to stop and take my coat and my fleece off. Absolutely starting to sweat. Unbelievable. As it is, this weather. I put a little pouch on my waist belt just to put electricals and, battery chargers and cables, which I usually need because obviously I record all my videos on my phone and it zaps the battery, so I always need to carry extra stuff, so it's easy to have it handy. But it slides around a bit on the waist belt. I mean, I have this other bigger pouch that I hook across here, but I think I'll just have to look at a way of getting a carabiner just to hold it in place a bit somehow. I might have to sew a loop onto the waist belt, so when I take it off it doesn't fall off as well. And look how sunny that is. That's incredible. I guess makes you a bit annoyed when you change your plans because of weather forecasts, and it turns out to be a load of bollocks. There are some black clouds, but bloody hell, don't know where that rain is that they said. Might get poured on now. Now they've complained. Right, that's the path I want to go down. I mean, you can get it going this way. This one will take me down by the river. But I've seen on the map there's something just a little bit further up here called Able Cross. I have no idea what it is, but I don't plan on walking back this way. I plan on walking back on the other side of the river. Well, I think I have to. There's a footbridge somewhere down here, so some of it will be on duplicate. Anyway, so I should go up here and see if I can find this Able Cross, and come back down here to get onto that path. Right, it's up there, almost just the stile and the fence. It's going to be fun climbing up. The Able Cross is going to be up there somewhere, not too far though. Anyway, they're not really sure what they are here for, whether they were to mark a way or they were to signify if there was a church nearby. They think it's more to do with marking routes from villages to villages when they didn't obviously have roads. And they think one of these, probably this one, I've got the video facing the wrong way. Anyway, as I was saying, they're not sure what they're here for. I'll put a wee description in as well. And I think this one's been moved, turned around because it doesn't face the right bearings. Now, instead of going back down over that awful stile, I could go down this road and then backtrack down to find that track. Nice bit of view today. Still a bit black up there, but nearly time for lunch. I need to crack on. I shall have my lunch by the waterfall if it's at all practical. So yeah, down this way. Okay, just stay on this track and it should take me, I think, to the falls. And so far, none of these woods are looking any good for wild camping. Let's see what it's like when I get right down the bottom by the river. It's becoming more of a track now than a bridleway or whatever they are. Bit overgrown around this track. Well, the track is well worn. A bit steep. Straight down there. And peeking over there. Don't know if you can see it. I'll see if I can raise you up. There's the ruins. You might investigate. The first glimpse. Further up as well. There's a swing rope off the tree. You can jump off these rocks apparently. It's a bit cold today. Maybe another day. I'll bring my wetsuit. Yeah, I got a wetsuit. Believe it or not, years and years ago. I used to do bodyboarding. When I lived in London, on Friday night we'd drive down to Cornwall, sleep in the car, spend the weekend at the beach, bodyboarding, and drive back. So I suppose I have done wild camping of all sorts. Right, I'm going to find a spot to sit and have my lunch. Yeah, I don't think I'll jump off the rocks. I've just come around the corner a bit from the actual pool. There's a few people there. There's a bit of land here. And I shall be having my sitting here. Don't know if you're going to see me. And I shall have my lunch. Well, it started raining. It looks like it's setting. Misty over there. That's the way I came, that track there. I think I'll go up this way. I think there's a bit more of a roady bridle way up there. I was going to go back down that way and across the footbridge and then through some woods, but it's setting. So I think I'll just get on a bit that won't be bog ridden. It's raining badly. I'm up by the ruins. So I've just stopped to put my waterproof trousers on and my poncho over the top. We're getting my umbrella out soon. I'm not even sure where the road is. I think it's up there. I've got to get up there somehow. Oh, you can't see. It's up there somewhere. Got to find the track. Great. Oh, at least I'm outside. Well, the rain's eased off a little bit. I just saw this section in this wall. I'm thinking, I wonder what that used to be. There's a doorway or something there. Yeah. Right, well, I am back at the car, and this fab seal didn't work on this coat. I think this is the last of its days. I do have another coat, but it's not breathable, that's the problem. So I've got my poncho hanging up there to drip dry a bit. I shall finish off my tea. And I have this post here. Helps prop the door open on a when the car's on a slope. Oh, it's all nice. I can get a tarp over the top if it's raining. I can do my little cups of teas in it. Oh, there's nice waterfalls. They weren't as big as I anticipated. And this coat is wet. My summer coat's quite good, but it's more of a snug fit, so I can't fit any lot of warm clothes underneath it. And so it's finding a coat that's I can fit lots of stuff underneath as well. So that's probably about it for today. Oh, let me see how many miles it was. I don't think it was that many. Yeah, so that's 3.5 miles. Oh, I'm supposed to be able to sit at home. Oh, I'll just add that I've lined I've got some green bin bags from IKEA. and I've lined me backpack with that, and done a fantastic job. Oh, one little thing before I set off. I wouldn't have known about those waterfalls if it wasn't for what's his name, Nickgcbond. He does a lot of local walks, so thank you for telling me about that waterfall.